Today we are see the yesterday worksheet. Okay, yesterday worksheet answer key. Okay, first one means. Okay, all take the worksheet note and then check it. First one means higher, then say, S-A-I-L, say. Third one trample, T-R-E-M-P-L-E, trample. Fourth one gale. Listen. First one higher, second one sail, third one trample, fourth one gale. Okay, already you know the meanings. Higher means, what is meant by higher? Use of temporarily for some time. Second, travel in a boat. Okay. Third one shade. Trample means shade. Fourth one wind. Gale means wind. First one higher, use of temporarily for some time. Higher means use of temporarily for some time. Then sail means travel in a boat. Third one trample means shake. Then fourth one gale means wind. Okay dears. Then second exercise, write the rhyming words. Rhyming words. First one, one. Second one, away. Third one, goat. Fourth one, gale. Listen. Rhyming words is the same sums of words. Already you know that a voyage poem. So that lines of one, away, goat, gale. Okay. So this is the rhyming words. One, it's a done. Okay. Second one, away, day. Third one, goat. Fourth one, pale, P-A-L-E, pale. First one, done, away, day, goat, gale, bale. Okay dears, are you clear? Then third one, answer the following question. Answer the following questions. First one, which are the animals in the voyage? Which are the animals in the voyage? First one, horse. H-O-R-S-E, horse. Second one, A-P-E, ape. Third one, goat. G-O-A-T, goat. Fourth one, tiger. T-I-G-E-R, tiger. Okay, dears. Second question. Why did they sail? Why did they sail? Why did they sail? The answer is they wanted find a new country. Find a new country. Listen. Why did they sail? They wanted find a new country. They wanted W-A-N-D-E-D wanted find F-I-N-D find a new country C-O-U-N-T-R-Y country. They wanted find a new country. Did they find a new country? Did they find a new country? Did they find a new country? The answer is yes. They found a new country. New country. Who's they? There are four friends. Horse, ape, tiger, and then goat. There are four friends found a new country. Okay, dears. First one. Why did they say they wanted a find a new country? The third question. Did they find a new country? Yes, they found a new country. Okay, dears. This is the last story. Gujju's Brave Adventures. Gujju's Brave Adventures. All of you take the page number 135. 135. Okay. This is the Gujju's Brave Adventures. Gujju's Brave Adventures. Listen. On a nice winter morning, Gujju's family set out on a trip to the nearby hill. Listen. On a nice winter morning, Gujju's family set out on a trip to the nearby hill. Gujju's cousins Appu, Bala, Surya, Janani. Gujju's cousin Appu, Bala, Surya and Janani. Listen. Gujju's cousin Appu, Bala, Surya and Janani accompanied him. The kids were so excited to explore this place. Okay, the first listen. Gujju's family chipped to the hill. Okay, Gujju's family chipped to the hill. There are four cousins. Whose there are four? Appu, Bala, Surya and Janani. Okay, there are four cousins. The kids excited and eager to find the place. Okay, there are see the place. Okay, Gujju's family lived to the hills and four cousins Appu, Bala, Surya and Janani. The kids excited and eager to find the place. Okay, dears. Then listen. Look, kids, be around us. Never go anywhere alone. Okay. Then yes, ma'am. Okay. The first picture. Mother says. Okay. Mother says. Who says? Look, kids, be around us. Never go anywhere alone. Okay. Not to go alone. Okay. Then yes, ma'am. The children are says yes, ma'am. And then first have your breakfast. Then we will go there. Must see the waterfall. The gate must see the waterfall. Then waterfall. Okay. Then second paragraph. Butchu's mother started unpacking the food. Meanwhile, the kids could not wait for the parents to take them to the waterfall, so they ran away without informing the parents. Listen. Butchu's mother started unpacking the food. Okay, unpacking the food. Meanwhile, the kids, meanwhile means between gap. Okay, meanwhile means between gap. The kids could not wait for the parents to take them to the waterfall. So they ran away without informing the parents. Okay, but children's putting resist the eagerness. First, she started ready to put on the table her mother, and then but children's putting raised their eagerness. So without telling the parents, run away of that. Okay, the children run away. Okay, then listen. Oh, I feel too hungry. I have only one guava. I shall eat it myself. Hey Appu, what are you eating? Nothing, Surya. Appu was eating the guava very fast. Appu was eating the guava very fast. So hiccups. The last one. Appu swallowed and got hiccups. So Surya and Appu returned to parents. Okay. Appu was eating the guava very fast. So hiccups. And we are come back to the parent. We are come back to the parents. Okay. Then second page 136. Okay, all of you turn the page number 136. Where did you go? What about others? Where did you go? What about others? Who says father? Father says, where did you go? What about others? This is father, Appu and then Surya. Don't worry pa, they are playing nearby. Don't worry pa, they are playing nearby. Father makes the question. What about others? What about others? Not worries pa. They are nearby playing. Okay, then without noticing, the other three kept running towards the waterfall. Their Bala and Janani got divided on seeing a naughty monkey. Okay, Bala and Janani see that naughty monkey. Janani and Bala seeing naughty monkey. Then Bala and Janani feel very hungry back to mom. Okay, look at that naughty monkey. Let us act like it and have a fun. Okay, then I feel very hungry. Let's go. And I feel very hungry. So okay, so let us go. This paragraph, Janani and Bala seeing naughty monkey. Okay, seeing naughty monkey. Then the Bala and Janani feel very hungry. So back to mom. Okay, back to mom. Then this is as Bala and Janani felt hungry. They are returned to parents. But Butchu speed towards the waterfall. He was shocked to see that no one was there. Oh no, I am alone. Surya, Appu, Janani, Balu, where are you guys? It's that roar of lion mummy. The lion sounds of roar. Listen, Janani and Bala first seeing a monkey and then feel very hungry. So return back to mom. Okay. Then Butchu speeds towards the waterfall. To the waterfall. Is the fake and help to the friends. Whose foot friends? This is the I'm alone. Who's alone? Butchu is the alone. Okay. Butchu sound. Surya, Appu, Janani, Bala, where are you? I am in alone. This place. Okay. Butchu's hearing a one sound. The roar. Okay. The roar. That sound name. That sound animal lion. Okay. That sound animals lion. Then listen. I shouldn't be afraid. Let me find a way. lost. Then mom says, Buchus, where you? I was so worried. Then now Buchus realized his mistake that he should not go alone without informing parents. His Appu's footprints and then help to the moms. Okay. Then once again I recall this stories. On a nice winter morning, Buchu's family set out on a trip to the nearby lake. Buchu's cousin Appu, Bala, Surya and Janani accompanied him. The kids were so excited to explore the place. Okay, all of you put the fingers and then lights. Okay, look kids, be around us. Never go anywhere alone. Then yes mama, yes mom. Then first have we breakfast, then we will go there. Ma, see the waterfall. First have we breakfast, then we will go there. Then Buchu's mother started unpacking the food. Meanwhile, the kids could not wait for the parents to take them to the waterfall. So they ran away without informing the parents. Then, oh, I feel too hungry. I have only one guava. I shall eat it myself. Hey Appu, what are you eating? Then nothing, Surya. Appu swallowed and got hiccups. So Surya and Appu returned to parents. Okay, listen. Buchu's family trip to the hill, and then there are 4 friends: Appu, Bala, Surya, and then Janani. The kids excited to and eager to find they are the place. Okay. Then the first pictures, who says? Mother says, never go to alone. But couldn't hear the children. First we ate the breakfast and then see the waterfalls. Then she started ready to put on the table. First eating and then go and see the waterfall. But children couldn't raise them the eagerness. Okay, raise them the eagerness. So without telling the parents, run away of them. Okay, the children ran, and then Appu was eating the guava very fast. Then hiccups. Okay, then hiccups. We are come back to parents. Okay, Appu was very eagerly to eating the guava and then hiccups. Then we are come back to parents. Father makes the question, what about others? Who's about? There are 4 friends. Where? Then not worries pa. They are playing near. Okay, they are playing near. And then Janani Bala seeing one naughty monkey. This is the cute and charm monkey. Okay, this is the cute and charm monkey. The monkey was playing. Okay. Then Bala and Janani watching seeing a naughty monkey. Then but Buchu speed towards the waterfall. Then Buchu's towards the waterfall. Janani and Bala are very angry, so return back to mom. Buchu see the waterfall, so very fast. Then she is alone. Where is Abodh? Where are Abodh? Then Appu, Bala, Surya, Janani, who's where? Then Buchu's. Then this is Appu's footprint. So head to moving the parents. Okay, dears. Okay. So from this story we understand that we must obey to our elders. So must obey to obey the elders, because it is something that is the reasons. Okay. Then even if you want to go out, get the permission, and while informing to and go. Okay. Listen. This is the theme of the story. Next we see the book bag exercise. Book page number 138. Page number 138. Okay. The first one, choose the correct answer. First one, Bala and Janani acted like Bala and Janani. Option is given by lion, monkey, tiger. Lion, monkey, tiger. Bala and Janani acted like the dash. The answer is monkey. M-O-N-K-E-Y, monkey. Second one, Appu. A-P-P-U, Appu, filled, hungry. Felt hungry and ate a dash. Options given by. So once again read Goa, mango, banana. Goa, mango, banana. Goa. G-U-A-V-A. Goa. Listen. Goa, mango, banana. Appu felt hungry at Goa. Then third one, all the children rise to go to the dash. Listen, all the children visit go to the dash. Options given by park, beach, waterfall. Park, beach, waterfall. Answer is waterfall. Fourth one, dash helped Butchus to reach his family. Dash helped Butchus to reach his family. Dash helped Butchus to reach his family. The answer is footprints. Footprints. Okay. Bala and Janani acted like they dash. Bala and Janani acted they like dash. Monkey, M-O-N-K-E-Y, monkey. Second one, Appu felt hungry and ate a Goa, G-U-A-V-A, Goa. Then all the children wished to go to the dash, waterfall, W-A-T-R, waterfall, F-A-L-L, waterfall. Then dash helped Butchus to reach his family. The answer is footprint. F-O-O-T, footprints. P-R-I-N-T-S, footprints. Okay? Options B. Answer the following. Yes or no question. Yes or no questions. First one, did Appu share Goa? Share Goa. Yes or no? No. The answer is no. Goa. The second one, did all visit the waterfall? The answer is no. Answer is no. All the children did not. All the children did not visit the waterfall. Listen, did Appu share Goa? No. Answer is no. Appu didn't share Goa. Appu didn't share Goa. They did all visit the waterfall? Yes. No. All the children did not visit the waterfall. No. All the children did not visit the waterfall. Then last one. Third question. Did Bujju realize his mistake? Yes. Bujju's realize. Bujju realized his mistakes. Listen, first one, did Appu share Goa? The answer is no. Then, did all visit the waterfall? The answer is no. Did Bujju realize his mistake? Yes. Did Appu share Goa? Okay, they are making the sentence and then write. Okay. No, Appu share Goody Goa. So, Appu Goody share Goa. No, Appu Goody share Goa. Then did all visit the waterfall? No, all the children did not visit the waterfall. And then did Bujju realize his mistake? Yes, Bujju realized his mistake. Yes, Bujju realized his mistake. Okay, today class is over. Thank you, dear students.